So it sounds strange, but khadi is not a fabric. It's a process. A fabric which is hand spun and goes into hand weaving is what makes a fiber actually khadi. It could be hemp, it could be cotton, it could be silk, it could be wool, it could be any fabric, any fiber for that matter. The khadi is less about what it is made of, but it is more about the process, how it is made. Khadi does have a long history. However, I feel that khadi is a fabric which breathes. It is mostly used because of the breathability, because of the hand spinning and hand done process. The fiber actually has a very, uneven texture. In the fabric, it brings you air pockets, and those air pockets kind of, give your body a kind of a relaxed feeling, and that is why khadi is a most breathable fabric, and that is why it is like, for generations people have been using it. Khadi is actually an art. It starts from the fiber, hand plucking the fiber, hand spinning them, hand weaving them, and then the final product that you get is khadi. Yes, it does, because if any of the machineries are involved in the process, then it is not said to be khadi. It is mandatory to have all the process done by hand to call it khadi. A hand spinning yarn, hand woven fabric is known to be khadi. However, a machine spun yarn with hand weaving cannot be called khadi. Any natural fiber that is hand spun and hand woven is considered to be khadi. However, the composition can differentiate. It could be wool and silk, cotton and wool, silk and hemp, and cotton and silk. Any composition can be made out of a proper khadi yarn, but the process has to be strictly same. Mahatma Gandhi made it popular. We always have this iconic image in our minds of Gandhi sitting with charkha. So that was a rebellious movement against East India Company for people to build our own craft, our own culture, our own heritage. And it started from there. It was like the whole country was involved in that. And it was a support against that movement that, everybody provided. With that, there are different properties of fabric that, makes it a lot popular, because India is a very hot country and the fabric is quite breathable, and that is why it is, it's been ruling for like ages. Why cotton khadi was most popular is because it is widely grown in the India and it is affordable for the masses. Third, it is very suitable for the Indian weather conditions. Not specifically, khadi is now used globally. People are very willing to indulge in the story of the material, how it is grown, how it is made. It is globally used for the different silhouettes like dresses, scarves, stoles, shirts, and many other garments. I have 3 in my mind right now. One, it's truly very breathable and it is comfortable. It gets softer with each wash. And third would be the affordability of the fabric. It's like very economical and can be used for long term.